Hi, this is Stephen with Fastcall. In this video, you're going to learn how to get ready to take inbound calls with Fastcall. We're going to introduce two key settings: inbound routing and user phones. We're continuing on from the units about setting up and making outbound calls here. If you haven't done these, please do them first. So, we're going to use the Fastcall widget to get to the Fastcall account settings, set up a new inbound call receiver, and check and get our phone number from the list of user phones. First of all, find and open the Fastcall widget. Then go into the menu and click on Account Settings. In the Account Settings menu, go to Inbound Routing. Depending on how kind your administrator was feeling when they set you up, you may have an inbound call receiver set up already. I don't, so I'm going to add a new inbound call receiver by pressing plus. In this case, I want to receive the call in my soft phone, so I click Save. The next thing I need to check is my phone number. I'm going to click on the User Phones settings menu. Here I can see the phones that my administrator has set up for me. If you don't have any phones set up, you need to ask your administrator to do this for you. I'm looking for a phone that's available for inbound routing. I can see there's one there. And I'm going to take a note of the number so I can call myself in the next unit, which is about how to actually receive an inbound call.